Have you ever wondered about the current state of orthopedic implants? How far have medical advancements taken us in this field? Let's delve into this intriguing subject. Orthopedic implants have traditionally been mass-produced with a range of sizes to fit the average patient. These implants include items such as hip and knee replacements, plates, screws, and rods used to treat fractures, among others. The traditional process of manufacturing these implants involves forging, casting, and machining metal alloys into the desired shapes. The final product is a one-size-fits-all solution that relies heavily on the skill of the surgeon to adapt and fit the implant to the specific patient. However, as with many areas of life, the advent of technology has revolutionized this process. The advent of three-dimensional printing, also known as additive manufacturing, has opened up a new world of possibilities in orthopedic implants. Three-dimensional printed orthopedic implants are custom-made for each patient. Using medical imaging data, such as CT or MRI scans, a precise model of the patient's anatomy is created. A 3D printer then uses this model to construct the implant layer by layer, creating a perfect fit for the patient. This level of customization was simply unachievable with traditional manufacturing methods. But the benefits of 3D printed orthopedic implants go beyond just a better fit. They also have the potential to improve the integration of the implant with the patient's own tissue. This is because 3D printers can create complex structures that mimic the natural architecture of a bone. This encourages new bone to grow into the implant, creating a stronger, more natural bond. Moreover, 3D printed implants can be made from a variety of materials, including metals, ceramics, and even biodegradable polymers. This means that the implants can be designed not only to match the patient's anatomy, but also to match the mechanical properties of their natural tissue. So, to summarize, 3D printed orthopedic implants offer a host of benefits over traditional implants. They provide a custom fit, promote better integration with the patient's own tissue, and can be made from a range of materials to mimic the properties of natural tissue. The future of orthopedic implants is here, and it's three-dimensional. With continued advancements in 3D printing technology, the possibilities for patient-specific biocompatible implants are truly limitless.